My mother's pearls. My mother had a string of pearls. When she wore them, she was not like other moms or girls. She sparkled and had a glow. Where it came from, I do not know. She wore them when she dressed up for a special occasion, a birthday, Thanksgiving, or a Valentine's celebration. My father had given them to her. He placed them gently around her neck. Then he leaned over and gave her cheek a peck. They were as special can be, just as my mother was to me. My mother worked far, far away. She was not at home every day. Sometimes her deployment was long. It seemed to go on and on. During these times, I missed her terribly. All I had was a picture of her that I held tightly. I wonder what's going to happen next. To purchase this book and see all of the Sally Huss books, go to sallyhuss.com. This book, like many in Sally's collection, is available in a multicultural version.